In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a track in Davinci Resolve. Davinci Resolve is an incredible tool renowned for offering professional-level video editing capabilities. It's used by filmmakers and content creators across the globe. Whether you're an aspiring editor or a seasoned professional, getting comfortable with the basics of this software can really set you on the path to creating stunning video content. So let's dive right in. First things first, ensure that you have Davinci Resolve open on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download and install it from their official website. Once you have it up and running, you'll be ready to begin. Now imagine you're sitting at your workstation, coffee in hand, looking at the Resolve interface. Familiarize yourself with the different panels and sections, as you'll need to navigate through them to follow this tutorial. Next, direct your attention to your project timeline. This is where all the magic happens, where you piece together your video masterpiece. You've likely already got some clips arranged, and now it's time to add more flexibility to your timeline by introducing an additional track. This can be useful if you need to layer audio or video elements, giving you more creative space to work with. With your timeline in view, locate the track area on your screen. Here is where your video and audio tracks are displayed. To add a track, you'll want to use your mouse and right-click directly on the track space. Right-clicking will bring up a contextual menu offering several options. Carefully look through these options and you'll find the one labeled Add Track. Selecting this will add a new track to your timeline, seamlessly integrating into your project structure. This new track acts as an additional layer on your project. You can use it to insert audio, video, or even some special effects. The possibilities are quite extensive. Make sure to adjust and balance your tracks accordingly, ensuring that your project maintains a cohesive flow and polished finish. And just like that, you've successfully added a track in Davinci Resolve. As you continue to explore and experiment with this powerful software, adding new tracks will become second nature, enhancing your ability to edit and produce top-quality video content. Remember that practice makes perfect, and continually refining your skills will serve you well in any video editing venture you undertake. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, consider exploring more features within Davinci Resolve, or sticking around to check out our other tutorials. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing the creative ways you'll expand your project timelines. Happy editing!